Hey guys, you're watching Boondocking with Dennis. Port Aransas, Texas. Mustang Island. 78 degrees. Pretty good breeze going. They're setting up for the Sandfest 2022. It is just super foggy. The sun will come out, then the fog will roll in again. I've just been in this one spot, kind of people watching, cleaning out the back of my truck. Love just watching people come and go, check out their dogs. I love the sound of the Gulf of Mexico. I met my friends from Cleburne, so I want to say hello to Paul and Krista. Thank you very much for an awesome lunch. Met their friend Tom. Hello, Tom. Good conversation with good people. Hope to see them again when I get up their way. Next road trip. Tide's just going out. They're doing the prep for the Sandfest, setting up big piles of sand, heavy machinery. This gentleman's been fishing for a while. Has little conversations with the people coming and going. It's life right there. I hope he didn't come out here for peace and quiet. He's been very popular today. I haven't seen him haul in any fish, but I have confidence he will. Sandfest is this weekend. I drove by there a few hours ago, and they were setting up, and I'm going to swing back by on the way out of here. See what kind of progress they made today. Some of the really big sand sculptures that are in the contest, they usually start early. They're so big and they get so much detail on them. And then I'll try to get us some video of the sculptures, or I'll post photos. A lot of my friends are going to the event, so we're kind of past all that now. Just to give you an idea how foggy it is, those are some of the buildings in the distance. And I can hear all the ship's foghorns going off from time to time as they come through the Corpus Christi ship channel. Got an ambulance cruising the beach. I've seen several vendors' trucks coming and going. But even on a day like this, even though it's not sunny, it's still warm enough out and pleasant enough where people are still enjoying the beach. Early April, people in the water. It's a good time to be in Port Aransas. Excuse me. I talked to people for 5 hours today. I'm not used to doing that. I love seeing people's rigs and what they got set up. So that looks like a big ribbon. And this on the left, there's people in the way, but that's got to be a mermaid, right? Look at the detail on that. Car's going to park right there. Okay, pretend to look at the detail on that. I'm going to just wait. I'll wait for them to move. Look at that. That's just amazing. And they're bringing in all the vendors' trucks. Who wants pizza? I got like $8. Welcome to Texas Sandfest. If you guys want information on Texas Sandfest, look it up online. Check their Facebook page. There's the armed forces. And then we have the Sea Eagles on top of every pole. There'll be flags flying on those poles. This is the sponsors. And even that has so much more detail than it did this morning. It really is amazing. And like the sun will come out like here. And then it seems like the fog just rolls in twice as thick as it did before. I love the beach, guys. They got the heavy equipment out, making the beach drivable and setting up things for Sandfest. They're setting up parking lots. It's going to be absolutely crazy packed down here this weekend. All the hotels will be filled up. Today was a good day to me in Port Aransas. I visited my friends at their hotel, and the hotel looked pretty much empty. I mean, maybe 25% of the rooms filled up, going by the cars that were there. I love seeing people's flags. Happiness. Kind of looking at it backwards, but there it is. I love the beach. It's just such a unique, mellow experience. When I was a kid, just growing up, that's what you wanted to do. You wanted to go down the shore. If you got, we're going down the shore. That's where everyone went on their vacations. And now I basically live down the shore. Barely make out the pier in the distance. So this girl's trying to get a cool photo. She's trying to feed the seagulls, and then her friend is taking a photo. And your little boy just ran away. There he is. Go back to mommy, boy. Too many cars running around here. Little kids are such explorers. Kids love to chase seagulls. Someone's enjoying their lunch. Crested caracara, maybe? They have the tugboats set up to assist the ships coming in if needed as they come in through the fog. And I looked on Vessel Finder, and there are 5 or 6 very large tankers lined up. I say very large. I don't know how big they are until they come in and I look them up. But I think this evening's video will be some ships coming in the fog. I've never filmed them coming in the fog before. People out looking for shells. People fishing up on the jetty. How cool is that foghorn going off? Hey guys, thanks for riding along today. Thanks for watching.